The nature of Azerbaijan is unique. Here you can find the most beautiful landscapes, waterfalls and mountain rivers, springs with transparent water, deep gorges, green meadows, thermal and mineral water springs, and the purest mountain air. Interestingly, 9 out of the world's 11 climate zones can be found within the borders of the country. It is no wonder that a favourable climate, early spring, mild winter, and plenty of sunny days makes Azerbaijan the centre for beach tourism. The Caspian Sea, which is the largest lake in the world, offers opportunities for diving and swimming.